Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Efua, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add the subscribe animated button to your videos like this. Let's get started. So the first thing to do is to open the Inshot app. We'll click on the video in which we want to add the subscribe animated button to. So just follow the red arrow. The next thing to do is to click on the pip. It brings you here. We are looking for a green screen, so we click on material. Scroll to the right and look for green screen. So that's the animation button right there. Click on it. So how are we going to take away the green screen? To take away the green screen, we'll look for chroma. Just follow the red arrow. Select the chroma. Now we have to use the pointer to select the green. Then we increase the strength to take away the green. So that's it. You can now resize your animation. You can now position your animation wherever you would like in your video. At the bottom or at the top, any part of the video, you just have to use the bar down there to position it at any part of the video, and that's all. Very easy, right? If this video was helpful, kindly subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Kindly share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.